guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I got some things from ULTA and Sephora and I wanted to show you guys. First, I had to stock up on makeup wipes. I got 2 of my favorite makeup remover wipes ever. These are the Neutrogena Hydrating Makeup Remover Wipes. These are seriously the best that I've ever used. I love them so much. These guys are a close second. You can only get these at ULTA, and Target also has this brand. It's by Bliss. These are the Makeup Melt Makeup Remover Wipes. They look like this. They're definitely a close second. Neutrogena Hydrating, favorite ever. These are a close second, so I just got 1 of these. Okay, next I got this. I don't know why I got this. It was on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for it. And I just wanted to try it out because it sounded like it smelled amazing, and it does smell amazing. It's the VitaBath Heavenly Coconut Cream Cleansing and Foaming Shower Oil. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells like the beach, but it's literally heavenly. What does it say? Heavenly coconut cream. Yes, that is so accurate. Oh my gosh, I haven't used it yet, but I am excited. Okay, I got this. I'm actually wearing it today, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. It's the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream for oily skin. I don't have oily skin. I obviously missed that part when I was purchasing this. I got the color light medium, and I'm kind of liking it. I'm gonna see how it wears, although I don't know how long I'm gonna have it on my face because it's gonna be really hot out today, so I might just like scrub my face after this video. But yeah, very curious to see how this wears because I have, I don't have oily skin at all. My skin is definitely more on the drier side. So yeah, if I would have read that, I probably wouldn't have gotten this. I don't know if they have like a one for dry skin. I don't know, but I've really been loving the CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation. Like, that's what I've been wearing for months now, and I don't know, I wanted to try this. I wanted a BB cream because that's a little bit more coverage than I like in the summertime. So yeah, I do like the coverage. It's definitely not full coverage. You can definitely see my imperfections, but I like that. I don't like cake face in the summertime. I just feel disgusting. So yeah, so I'll let you guys know. Like I said, my skin's on the drier side, so very curious to see how this wears. I literally just put it on an hour ago and nothing's happening so far, so far so good. I got an EcoTools sponge. I really like this. And it's a lot cheaper than a lot of sponges on the market. Like, I will not pay $20 or $25, however much the Beauty Blender is. Like, no, not happening, not paying that much. But yeah, I really like this one. So I had to purchase another one because mine's about to go out the door because it's seen better days. All right, next I got the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. I don't know, I just wanted a hand cream, and I've purchased, ooh, that smells really clean. I was gonna say, I've purchased Ahava products before, and they have like a natural scent to them, and I was afraid that this one was gonna have that scent too. Ooh, that smells really good. Really good. Ooh, I like it. That smells really good. I just got like a little guy. This is 1.3 ounces. I'm just gonna throw it in the purse, in the diaper bag. Let's be real, diaper bag, because I hardly ever carry a purse anymore. I got another BB cream. This is the NYX BB cream. I love this stuff. The only thing that sucks is that it only comes in 2 colors, I believe. I got nude, which I think is the lightest color. There's nude and then there's natural. I have the natural one in my makeup drawer, but it's a little bit too dark for me right now, so I wanted to get this. This is another great one. This is perfect for summertime. It's not like full coverage, but it's enough coverage. Like, it's great coverage for summertime. Does anyone else like that? Does anyone else feel disgusting when they wear a full face of makeup in the summertime when it's hot out? Or am I the only one? Like, I just can't. I just can't. I got some Tony Moly Aloe Chalk hand gel. 62% alcohol. Kill of germs. What? Kill of germs, it says. Aloe Chalk hand gel. Kill of germs. Okay. Oh, that's in a different language. I can't read that. This was kind of cheap. I just saw like this and decided to get it. I do have quite a stockpile of hand sanitizer because before this whole shit show happened, I was a pretty big germaphobe. I carried hand sanitizer everywhere. I'd always wash my hands. So I had a good stockpile before this, but I don't know, I just picked that up. I just randomly threw things in my cart, guys. I don't know, okay? I got a mascara. I got the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I did a Mascara Monday episode on this, and this is like really hyped up, and I don't think I liked it in that video, but I'm gonna give it a second chance because I think the one I got was defective. I don't know, I'm gonna have to rewatch my video. I don't remember what the issue was, but I wanted to give this a second chance because so many people rave about this mascara. Another mascara that I got, thank you Kathleen Lights. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. I just got the travel size. I thought that I've tried this before. Maybe I haven't. Hold on, I need to take a drink break. She does have longer lashes than me, like longer natural lashes than me, so we'll see how they look on my little stubba stubs. But yeah, I wanted to try this out, the travel size, because I didn't want to spend, I think it's like $25 for the full size, until I know that I like it. I got a random freaking lip gloss from ColourPop. This is the Luxe Gloss in the color Overnight. I've never tried these before. So yeah, I don't know. Let's try it on right now. I have like a sparkly lip gloss on right now. I'll tell you guys that in a second. Oh, that's a big, ooh, that smells really good. Ugh. Okay, let's see. I actually like this color. It's like a pale coral. I like it. And it's not like sticky. And it smells really good too. So yeah, the Luxe Gloss by ColourPop. Again, I've never tried these before. I've tried like their regular glosses. I forgot what they're called. But yeah, I wanted to give this guy a shot. And also from ColourPop, I got a Super Shock shadow in the color Birthday Wish. I just wanted a like pretty like champagne-y eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure I have a color very similar to this. I have a shit ton of these guys, but I don't have this exact color. But again, pretty sure I have a color similar. But yeah, it's really, don't mind my nails, okay? There it is, really pretty. I need to do my nails after this video. Also, I ordered something from Lancome, like their website, because I saw Laura Beverlyn. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram, you probably do. She's like one of the most popular like influencers. I saw her talk about these and I was like, oh my gosh. So Lancome Juicy Tubes, if you're like an OG YouTuber, you know that they were the thing back in the day. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't know if they went away and came back, or if they're like, I think it's like their 20th anniversary. I think that's what it is. I think they brought them back for that. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, I saw her talk about these and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get them. So I got two. I got the two colors that she had because, I don't know, they looked good on her. I got Spring Fling and Birthday Confetti. Spring Fling looks like this, and it's just a light pink. If my freaking camera will focus. There we go. It's like a light pink. No shimmer in it. But this guy, Birthday Confetti, has some shimmer. This is just like a clear gloss. It has like a pink tint to it in the tube, but it doesn't come off pink on the lips. But yeah, really pretty color. So yeah, I had to get these because this was like throwback to old school YouTube days when, oh man, those are the days. People were friends and there was no competition and no drama, like, oh my gosh. And the one thing I got at Sephora I think was also inspired by Miss Laura Beverlyn. I've actually purchased a bunch of things because of her lately, because I'm just like scrolling on Instagram and then I see her stories. I'm like, oh, I want that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Yeah. Okay, before I show you what I got, I'll tell you my samples that I got. Juliet Has a Gun Moscow Mule perfume. I've gotten something from this brand before. Was it a nail polish or maybe it was a perfume? No. Smells like a 90-year-old woman. Nope. Alright, then I got a sample of Flower. Ooh, this is Midnight. I thought this was the regular Flower Bomb, but it's Flower Bomb Midnight. Alright, let's smell this. The regular Flower Bomb, I'm not really a fan of. Open this. Oh, that's too spicy for me. It's too heavy. This is a good like fall winter scent for some people, not for me. again, that's two. These were points that I redeemed, I'm pretty sure. They are Sephora glossed lip glosses. I got 2 of them. One in Boss, which is just a clear gloss. And then this one is Confident. Confident. I'm not confident about my nails. I'm gonna hide them. Yeah. And then the reason why I placed a Sephora order was to get this. I'm so excited. Am I gonna do it today? I might do it later today. So it's the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Water. I got medium, which might be kind of ambitious because I'm super pale right now. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and organic. It is a self-tanning water with color correcting actives to even skin tone. I got the Hello Golden Glow. And basically it's a tanning water. Like, it's a spray, it's a water. Whoa. Okay, so like backing up, I used to go tanning, you know, when I was a teenager and in my 20s. I was like, oh my gosh, tan. What was my motto? I don't know. I had like a motto, like I had to be tan. If I wasn't tan, I wasn't confident. And it was sad, actually. Needless to say, tanning is a stupid thing to do because it damages your skin and you can get skin cancer from it. I had somebody close to me get skin cancer and I'm like, boop, 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 boop. Self-tanning is for sure the way to go. I just find like lotion-y self-tanning, that's a lot of work. Like, it's just a lot of work. You know, I don't have time to do that. I really don't. So hopefully this is easier. It sounds easy. It says self-tanning water with color correcting actives and a green base for a natural golden glow with no streaks, no smells, or orange tones. Let's see. It says exfoliate 24 hours, moisture dry areas, mist until skin is totally saturated, covering face. Oh, I don't know about my face. I'm probably not gonna do my face. Hands and feet first before blending with a tanning mitt using sweeping motions. Thoroughly wash palms after use. Your tan will develop in 4 to 6 hours. So yeah, I'm excited for this and I really like the way this smells too. Again, I can't stand that tanning scent. First of all, the scent that you get like after you go to a tanning bed, like it's like a fried chicken, like just burnt, just disgusting ass smell. I hate that smell. And then the self-tanner smell, like I can't stand that either. But this smells really good. Okay, where can I spray it? I'm just gonna spray it into the air. Oh, okay, or the wall. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells very fresh. Might do it tonight. This was kind of pricey. I think this was 30 bucks. 30. We're gonna try it and I'll let you guys know how I like it. So that is it for my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in any of these products, I will link them down below. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.